So, how do you deal with that? One of the first things that I would do is put it in your contract that you can have the seller get a loan modification. I've mentioned some of these things before, and I'm going to tell you that that's going to be gold. That's not going to work every time for somebody, but when that does work, it's going to be wonderful. You put it in the opportunity in your contract, say, hey, we're going to buy it for what you owe on it. And you'll walk away with a clean slate. Like, I'm going to you save your life, your family, so that you can actually do things in the next 7 years because your credit is affecting everything. Now, what we're going to do is also give you the opportunity to earn $3,000 extra so that you can move and transition to your new home. We're going to go and ask the bank together for a loan modification where they take that 15 grand, they put it on the back of the loan. And so instead of paying it right now, they can pay it later at the back of the loan.